Shalom Yahudim, Shalom Yahudim, Shalom Yahudim. My name is Rabbi Prophet Umayawe Anoba, Ngele of Yahudim, the voice that cries in wilderness, the ancient soul. I have been here before, and I'm here again to restore what had been stolen from my forefather. In the days of the old, when heaven and earth was created, all things was created on it as beautiful and perfection, from the heart desire of Yodowaye. And he chose him to create a man. And in the day he created man, Elohim created man in his own image and likeness. In the image of Elohim created he, male and female. As it is written in the book of Genesis chapter 1 verse 27. I repeat, Genesis chapter 1 verse 27. But there become a different words in the Genesis chapter 2. That is an emergency creation after a human being was created. The word in the book of Genesis refers to us that man was the last creation of Yehoshua love kindness. We are created the last. And we are to inhabit the earth and control the earth. But after mankind, there become emergency creation. Why this emergency creation? This is the word that the earth people is asking the Yahudims, and in a due respect, in no distance time, in a week or two, from now to 21 days, the Yahudim will explain to the earth what exactly conspired in the beginning, which have been hidden to the elites. Shalom Yahudim, Shalom Yahudim, Shalom Yahudim.